What were some of the things that you guys discovered during the process of getting started that enabled you to be more successful now?
Well, I think really early on, we understood that there were some complexities of Prada, and I think as Sam has alluded to, there's different challenges within different industries, and particularly within the health and life science space. What what we were able to really do was figure out what the problem was, and part of that is taking more time for discovery, right? Not jumping in and jumping in, starting to code, build things, and while that may work in some situations, I think it's very important to nail down, what are the challenges, and how are we going to leverage the platform in order to meet those challenges. And Prada, I think, was a great partner in that, we were able to come to the table, right, and agree upon, where is it that we need to spend our time? How do we leverage the platform versus creating everything custom, right? How do we enable them to grow with Salesforce as Salesforce grows, and as you mentioned, right, as new features come, how do you adapt those features? And so we had a great team, who spent a lot of time with Sam, digging through their data, working through discovery, drawing on whiteboards, really just taking it back to the basics of what discovery is, right, and nailing down the problem and figuring out what the end goals were.
Like I said, from the old site, we knew exactly what we didn't want, and what features we needed to be added and that kind of a thing. So it would have been really easy to jump straight into, here's the list, go ahead and go. But I will say Avianos took a lot of time to really understand the needs so that they could solution in a way that allowed us to upgrade, update, take advantage of all of these new things. Because if they had built custom everything, then as soon as you try to apply a new feature, there's a chance it might not work, and so just being conscious of that and actively planning for it, it was absolutely worth every second that we spent during the discovery.